This video will describe the cleaning procedures for in-store staff to properly clean the tail or double-sided grills. Since the grill is hot and touching it could cause injury, it is important not to clean the grill until it has cooled to the proper temperature. Before you perform the cleaning, you will need the following items ready: heat-resistant gloves, grill squeegee, grill scrubber, a spray bottle of grill cleaner, a clean grill cloth, and a 1-liter container. First, select the clean mode on each grill control and allow the grill to cool. Never pour cold water or ice on the grill to speed cooling. This could damage the cooking surface. The grill will chime an alarm when it reaches the proper cleaning temperature, and the control will read, "Ready to clean." Press the touchscreen button to cancel the alarm. The grill is now ready to clean. Do not try and clean the grill before it has cooled to the proper temperature. Remove the Teflon sheets from the platen by removing the clips holding the release sheets on the top of the platen. Unhook the release sheet from the right side of the platen to remove the sheet completely. Take the release sheets to a flat surface. Clean the sheets both front and back with grill cleaner, grill scrubber, and a wet cloth. Each side of the Teflon sheet has a different color. Note which color was exposed, as when the sheets are replaced, you will want to expose the other side to help extend the life of the sheets. Wipe the exposed surface of the Teflon release sheet with a clean, sanitizer-soaked grill cloth. Make sure to keep the sheets flat. Do not fold or crease the Teflon sheets. Next, spray the cleaning pad with grill cleaner and scrub the upper platen surface and outer edges. Do not forget to clean each side of the platen. You may need to use the rubber spatula and cloth to reach the back sides of the upper platen. Using the cloth, clean the back of the platen and grill, ensuring all the grease and debris is removed. Using a grill cleaner rag, wipe the top, sides, and rear of the upper platen. Wipe away residue with a damp cloth. Next, spray the grill surface with the grill cleaner. Use the scrubber to remove grease and residue. Repeat section by section until the whole grill is clean. Take the 1-liter container and fill it with water. Slowly pour half of the water on the grill surface. Use the grill scraper to further clean the surface of the grill. Use the squeegee and cloth to rinse the grill and remove all the cleaner. Repeat until the grill is free of all cleaner. Reinstall the Teflon sheets starting from the right side of the platen, wrapping the release sheet around the platen, and reinstalling the clips on the top of the platen, taking care to ensure the release sheets are snug. Repeat the process for the remaining platen. Empty and clean the grease troughs on both sides of the grill. Your grill is now ready to be turned off for the night, clean and ready for the next day. In the case of 24-hour operations, you can now turn the grill back on to preheat to begin cooking. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 1-800-387-2529 for assistance.